Hey everyone, this is a 2023 BMW X1 and I have some quick tips that you need to know. The car can unlock automatically when you approach. It can also lock automatically when you walk away. Kick with your foot underneath the car to open up the trunk. Also kick to close. To make sure the function is on to lock and unlock the car automatically, go to the apps, go to vehicle apps, go to doors and windows. Underneath comfort access, make sure that unlock when approaching is on and lock when walking away is also on. You can double click the sunroof button to open up the shade and the sunroof at the same time. We can also push forward twice to close. There's a drop-down menu where we can add shortcuts to, and how we do that, we go to the apps that we want to make a shortcut, push and hold, add to shortcuts, and now you have that shortcut saved right here. To delete the shortcut, push and hold, delete the shortcut. We can change the cluster design here and what information is displaying. And how you do that, simply click the gear right here. And with this wheel, we're going to scroll up and down and it will show what information is being displayed. So we've got the map, route preview and such. If you click this to the right, you can then change the layout to design. We can voice command a lot of cool stuff. Hey BMW, change interior lighting to blue.
Great, I will set the light color to indigo.
Hey BMW, open up the driver window.
Okay, I will open the driver's window.
A quick way to put the car into park is just turn it off. These lights are touch. You don't have to touch this exact icon. You can touch literally anywhere. And this button here will take you to the interior lighting. The windshield wipers are automatic. Just simply click this lever one click up. You'll see the green light. The wipers are automatic, so the faster the raining, the faster the wiping. And if you ever want to put your windshield wipers in the service position, turn off the car, click down on the windshield wiper stalk and hold it. The wipers will wipe 4 times and then stop. And now we can safely put up the wipers without damaging the car or the wipers. So that is in service mode, or if there's a snowy day, you can lift up the wipers. Well, these were some cool tips and tricks on the BMW X1. Hope you liked it. And if you want to see more cool BMW content, make sure you hit that like and follow button. Until next time.